It's a video inspection of the sewer lateral at 452 Highland in Malden. We snaked this 80 feet from the cleanout at the base of the stack. Goes out about 10 feet, takes a left-hand turn down the driveway. Right now we're looking at the drop down into the city sewer. Right there. And we'll inspect this as we pull it back. We just located and marked this spot approximately 86 inches deep in the middle of the street. It looks like we have 5-inch clay pipe. We have joints every 2 inches, every 2 feet. So right here we have a joint, and then we go underwater. And then we come out of the water. So we're out at 62 feet. There's a joint. Could be that the bottom of the pipe is gone. 62. Back to 56. So 6 feet of pipe underwater right there. We'll pause this, go out and locate and mark that. Okay, so we just located the spot where the belly is. There's water at this spot, or just behind this spot, which is 62 feet from the house. It's right at the end of the concrete driveway, the entrance to the driveway where it meets the street. I marked it, I think it was 74 inches deep. And then we pull back through the water to that point, and we mark that as well. So now we'll continue to pull back. You can see right there the top of the clay pipe is gone. A chunk of it missing. Let's just see what we got after that. That was only 2 feet back towards the house from where I just marked it. Okay, I'm going underwater again right here. We'll just go out and mark this just to get the line of the pipe, make sure it stays in the driveway. So this is marked 61 inches deep, again right in the driveway, just maybe a foot off the curbstone on the side of the driveway. So there's the reason for that issue. You can see it dropped way down there. That's about 6 feet back. And there's another one. 25 and a half. We're going to pull back until we come to the turn. We'll mark where the cast goes into the clay. Right here's the turn. There's the cast. So it drops down into the clay right there. So let's go back into this. We'll mark this spot and then we'll pull back and mark the cast. Okay, so this has been located and marked. This is still the 5-inch clay. We're going to pull back. There's the turn. And there's the cast iron. So I'm going to pull back into the flat runner cast right there and mark that. So it goes out 4-inch, then it looks like it drops down 45 degrees. And right there, somehow or other, they made a transition into that clay pipe. Okay, so this is located and marked. Looking at the plans they had from the house when the sewer was connected up, it says it's 6-inch clay pipe. So looks like we got 4-inch cast iron going into 6-inch clay. There's no way I can tell that with the camera. I can tell it gets bigger, but and it looks like right here at the bottom where it turns, right there, there's something wiring in at the back side. So it shows it on the plans too. I don't know if it picked up if it's a clean out or a stub, or if it picks up the garage out back, but find out when they open up the driveway. So now we'll pull it back into the house. That completes the inspection. So we have approximately 55 feet of pipe from just outside the house, 10 feet outside the house. It turns, goes into, well, the cast iron goes into clay. According to the plan, 6-inch clay. It's about 4 feet deep in the driveway up here, and it's about 7.5, almost 8 feet deep at the end of the driveway, where the concrete meets the asphalt, and that's where all the problems appear to end. From there to the middle of the street at this time looks good. That concludes the inspection.